Having healthy, smooth, and soft feet is a challenge for many, especially with rough heels, calluses, and dryness. Whether you're dealing with cracked feet or just want to maintain a luxurious feel, choosing the right foot care products is essential. In this video, we'll explore 5 top foot care products that can help you tackle common foot concerns. Let's dive in and find the best solutions to give your feet the love and care they deserve. Kicking off our list at number 1, Kerasal Intensive Foot Repair. The Kerasal Intensive Foot Repair is an advanced foot cream that targets dry, cracked, and rough feet, providing fast and visible results. This clinically proven formula contains urea and salicylic acid, designed to exfoliate dead skin and deeply hydrate the feet, making it a go-to for those suffering from cracked heels. It's specifically formulated to treat the toughest of foot conditions, providing relief from painful dryness and promoting soft, healthy skin. Key features. The standout feature of Kerasal Intensive Foot Repair is its combination of salicylic acid and urea. Salicylic acid works as an exfoliant, gently removing dead skin cells from the feet, while urea provides deep hydration to soften rough patches and calluses. The formula is non-greasy, which allows it to be absorbed quickly without leaving any residue. It's designed for maximum moisture retention and is ideal for individuals with extremely dry or cracked skin. Benefits and usage. The primary benefit of Kerasal Intensive Foot Repair is its ability to heal cracked, dry feet quickly. Simply apply a generous amount of the cream to affected areas, especially the heels, and massage it in. The formula works overnight, so applying it before bed allows the skin to repair while you sleep. This foot repair product is perfect for those who want immediate relief from dryness and want to see noticeable results in a short amount of time. Usability. The Kerasal Intensive Foot Repair is easy to apply, and its lightweight, non-greasy texture makes it ideal for daily use. The tube packaging ensures that you can dispense just the right amount of product, and because the cream absorbs quickly, there's no need to worry about sticky residue or mess. Whether you're applying it in the morning or before bedtime, the formula allows you to get back to your daily activities without interruption. Durability. Kerasal Intensive Foot Repair works effectively for hours, and regular use can improve foot health significantly. With consistent use, you will notice that cracks and dryness become less severe, and your feet will stay smoother for longer. For those with persistent foot issues, applying it daily can lead to continuous improvement, making it an excellent long-term investment in foot health. In the second spot, we have Burt's Bees Coconut Foot Cream. Burt's Bees Coconut Foot Cream is a natural foot care product designed to nourish, hydrate, and repair dry, tired feet. Infused with coconut oil and other natural ingredients, this foot cream offers a soothing, pampering experience for those seeking a gentle yet effective solution to foot dryness. Ideal for daily use, this foot cream is perfect for individuals looking to maintain soft and hydrated feet without harsh chemicals. Key features. The key feature of Burt's Bees Coconut Foot Cream is its high-quality natural ingredients. Coconut oil is renowned for its moisturizing properties, and it works in harmony with other ingredients like shea butter and peppermint oil to deeply hydrate and refresh the skin. The thick, creamy texture is easy to apply and provides long-lasting moisture, making it an ideal choice for those who need more than just a surface-level solution. Benefits and usage. The Burt's Bees Coconut Foot Cream provides intense moisture to dry feet, helping to soften rough patches and cracks over time. To use, apply a generous amount of the cream to clean, dry feet, massaging it in for maximum absorption. This product is perfect for those with mild to moderate dry skin and is gentle enough to use every day. You'll notice smoother, softer feet with consistent use, and the invigorating scent adds a refreshing element to the treatment. Usability. Applying Burt's Bees Coconut Foot Cream is straightforward and easy. The thick consistency means that a little goes a long way, and the product absorbs quickly, leaving your feet feeling nourished without any greasy residue. It's a great choice for daily use after a long day on your feet or as part of your nightly routine. The product's natural scent is light and pleasant, making it an enjoyable experience for anyone looking to indulge in a little foot care. Durability: Burt's Bees Coconut Foot Cream provides long-lasting moisture, especially when used regularly. While it may not provide the immediate results that more intensive foot creams offer, it is highly effective at maintaining hydration and preventing dryness. With continuous use, the nourishing ingredients will help keep your feet soft and healthy over time, making it an excellent option for daily foot care. Coming in at number 3 is the Lush Volcano Foot Mask. The Lush Volcano Foot Mask is a unique and fun foot care treatment that is designed to exfoliate, moisturize, and refresh tired, dry feet. With ingredients like volcanic ash, papaya, and honey, this foot mask delivers a deep cleansing experience while softening the skin. Ideal for individuals who need a pampering session, this mask transforms rough feet into soft, smooth ones, making it a luxurious option for occasional foot care. Key features: the Lush Volcano Foot Mask is packed with natural ingredients known for their rejuvenating properties. Volcanic ash provides exfoliation, removing dead skin cells and rough patches, while papaya helps to break down tough skin. Honey serves as a natural humectant, drawing moisture to the skin and keeping it hydrated. The thick, creamy texture is easy to apply, and the product comes in a jar, making it easy to scoop out the desired amount. Benefits and usage: the Volcano Foot Mask offers a spa-like experience that not only exfoliates but also deeply moisturizes the feet. To use, apply the mask generously to clean feet and let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off. The mask helps to soften even the toughest, driest feet, leaving them smooth, hydrated, and refreshed. It's perfect for a weekly or bi-weekly foot treatment, especially if you're dealing with calluses, rough skin, or tired feet after a long day. Usability: the Lush Volcano Foot Mask is easy to apply and feels incredibly soothing when on the feet. The mask stays in place without sliding off, so you can relax while it works its magic. While it requires a little more time than typical foot creams, the results are worth the wait. Once rinsed off, your feet will feel softer and look healthier, making it a perfect treat for a weekend foot care routine. Durability: while the Lush Volcano Foot Mask provides instant results, it's more of a treatment than a daily product. It's ideal for those who need occasional foot pampering or want to maintain soft feet after intense foot care sessions. The results can last for several days, but regular use is necessary to maintain optimal foot softness and hydration. This foot mask is perfect for those who love indulging in a little self-care and want to keep their feet in top condition. Taking our 4th spot is CeraVe Renewing SA Foot Cream. CeraVe Renewing SA Foot Cream is an exfoliating foot cream designed to tackle rough, dry feet with its combination of salicylic acid, ceramides, and urea. This formula is excellent for individuals dealing with thickened skin, calluses, and cracked heels. CeraVe is known for its dermatologist-recommended products, and this foot cream is no exception, offering both exfoliation and hydration in a single formula. Key features: the main features of CeraVe Renewing SA Foot Cream are its key ingredients: salicylic acid, ceramides, and urea. Salicylic acid works as a gentle exfoliant, removing dead skin, while urea provides deep moisture to keep the skin hydrated. Ceramides help to restore the skin's protective barrier, ensuring that moisture stays locked in. The cream is fragrance-free and non-irritating, making it suitable for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: CeraVe Renewing SA Foot Cream is perfect for individuals with rough feet or calluses. It works to exfoliate the skin while deeply moisturizing it, leaving feet feeling smooth and soft. Apply the cream to clean, dry feet, focusing on areas with the most dryness or calluses. Use it daily for optimal results, especially at night when the skin is more receptive to repair. With consistent use, you'll notice a significant improvement in the texture and appearance of your feet. Usability: the CeraVe Renewing SA Foot Cream is easy to apply, and its non-greasy formula makes it a great choice for those who don't want to deal with sticky feet. The cream absorbs quickly, allowing you to go about your day without worrying about residue. Its fragrance-free nature makes it perfect for individuals with sensitive skin or those who prefer a product without a strong scent. Durability: CeraVe Renewing SA Foot Cream provides long-lasting hydration, and with daily use, it effectively helps to manage dryness and calluses. The cream continues to work throughout the day, providing continuous moisture and exfoliation. Over time, your feet will look and feel softer, and the calluses will gradually diminish. It's an excellent choice for long-term foot care, offering both immediate and lasting results. And finally, at number 5, we have the Body Shop Peppermint Foot Lotion. The Body Shop Peppermint Foot Lotion is a refreshing and cooling foot lotion that is perfect for those who spend long hours on their feet. Enriched with peppermint oil, this lotion provides instant relief, leaving the feet feeling invigorated and refreshed. It's designed to soften and hydrate dry feet, making it a great choice for a quick and easy daily foot care product. Key features: the standout feature of the Body Shop Peppermint Foot Lotion is its cooling peppermint oil, which offers an instant refreshing sensation. It also contains glycerin and shea butter, which provide moisture and help to soften rough feet. The light lotion is fast-absorbing and non-greasy, making it ideal for daily use. The peppermint fragrance is energizing and perfect for those who need a pick-me-up after a long day. Benefits and usage: the Body Shop Peppermint Foot Lotion provides instant cooling and hydration, making it perfect for hot weather or after a long day on your feet. To use, apply the lotion to clean, dry feet and massage it in until fully absorbed. The lotion is gentle enough for daily use and will leave your feet feeling smooth, refreshed, and energized. It's great for those who need a quick foot care fix without the need for intensive treatments. Usability: the Body Shop Peppermint Foot Lotion is easy to apply and absorbs quickly, making it a convenient option for daily foot care. The light texture means that it won't leave any greasy residue, so you can quickly get back to your activities. The cooling effect from the peppermint is especially beneficial for those with tired, achy feet, and the lotion is perfect for a quick foot refresher at any time of the day. Durability: while the Body Shop Peppermint Foot Lotion offers immediate hydration and a cooling sensation, its effects are more temporary than those of heavy-duty creams. It's perfect for daily use to keep your feet refreshed and soft, but for more severe dryness or cracked heels, you may need a more intensive treatment. However, regular use can help maintain soft, smooth feet, making it an excellent option for everyday foot care. Choosing the best foot care products ultimately depends on your specific needs, whether it's exfoliation, deep hydration, or soothing relief. From the intensive repair of Kerasal to the refreshing sensation of the Body Shop Peppermint Foot Lotion, there's a product here for everyone. So, start treating your feet with the care they deserve today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone in need of foot care tips. Stay tuned for more product reviews and solutions.